Guys, this is gonna be so freaking good. Yes, guys. Yes, hi. Well, I am not sure if you can hear me or not, but it's raining so hard out there today. Like, it's non-stop raining in Florida. But I am hungry and I am gonna make some pasta seafood. All right, so I got my stove. Let's cook. So bear with me, I am just using one hand. Okay, that's on. All right, let's. These are my ingredients that I'm going to add. So this is the little scallop onions. Oh, I should have bring my goggles with me. These are the little grape tomatoes. My knife sucks. My knife, I broke it. I'm gonna have to get a new knife. So guys, I'm glad it stopped raining, or at least for now, so I could just cook. I have my door open. There's a beautiful pond behind me. I'll show it to you later. It's really beautiful. So what I got in here is the shrimps and the scallops and some butter. I'm gonna put some spice, like I'm hot, you see, I'm sweating. Spice, some garlic, and I got this garlic and herb here. I'm gonna put some of this on it. And I also have chicken broth, which I'm gonna use just a little bit, just enough. So I put the garlic and herbs on it. Okay, let's see what's going on. Oh yeah, looking real good. So I am going to add some chicken broth to it, just a little bit. I also have this fresh Parmesan cheese I'm gonna add to it. Guys, this is gonna be so freaking good. It's gonna be so good. And it is done. So now I am going to make the pasta. All right, our water is boiling, so I'm just gonna add the pasta to it. I should have gotten the short ones. I don't know why I gotten these long ones. And then the pot is so small. I am sweating my ass off. So now we wait for the pasta to cook 7 or 8 minutes. 7 or 8 minutes, and yeah, then we're good. The wind is blowing. It feels so good now. All of a sudden, it was so hot before, and then all of a sudden the wind started blowing. Okay, so I am going to eat now. Cheers. Yes. sit here and eat all day. There's one thing I did wrong. I put a little too much cheese. I should have taken it easy on the cheese. It's a little too cheesy, but it's really good. Okay, so now that I'm full, do you want to go take a walk with me? It stopped raining and the sun came back out. So we can take a little walk and get familiar with the area. They got a beautiful pond over there, so I can show it to you. So now that I'm living in my car full time, you know, I have to figure out how to organize my things. So I emptied out my storage yesterday. I have nothing left. I gave it up. Yeah. All right, so I don't know. I am gonna have to donate a lot of it. I already did. I donate like shit, like more than half of the storage. I'm just trying to find a place to. I gotta get rid of a lot of these stuff. I haven't quite figured out how to pack my stuff. I got all this unnecessary stuff in the back right there that I don't even need. And I think I should just let it go, let go of these unnecessaries, because they're not needed on this journey. I got high heels. Where am I going in the mountains with high heels? Fancy purses. I'm just gonna let all of this go because I don't really need them, and they're like you know, a burden right now. I just need like jeans, leggings, t-shirts, warm sweater, and you know, a couple stuff like that, and things that I really need. So yeah, that's my plan. I can't hit this today. I can't do that today. I am not today. So I will do it tomorrow. And yeah. Okay, so I got my trash. I got trash. I gotta go empty it. I take it to the bin. Right in there. I am up. I will show you guys how I sleep next week, how I go to bed in my next video. I was way too tired yesterday to even film that. I slept pretty comfortable last night. It was nice. Yeah, so I just came back to where I used to stay at the apartment complex and parked my car. And I felt pretty safe here. And this is the area that I know right now, which eventually I'm going to branch out soon. Yeah, and I slept last night. I slept good. The first night sleeping in my car. So I will show you next week how I get in and, prepare for bed and stuff like that. Yeah. It is around 6 a.m. right now, so I am going to go to the gym, work out,